Hey guys, welcome back. So, I just found this infinite carpentry XP glitch, and it's very easy to do. All you'll need is some blocks to craft, like a block of diamond and a personal compactor. You'll need one block of diamond in the autocraft slot of your personal compactor. All you have to do is this. You'll get Carpentry XP from it being crafted back into diamond blocks. I'm pretty sure that this isn't supposed to be in the game. So, yeah, it's a very easy glitch to do. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.